So here I am, eventually. I am knackered at the Hermits cave. Let's go. We'll see what this place is like. Here we are at the entrance to the cave. Right guys, here we are in the Hermit's cave. Can't see me just now, but let's go through. This is scary. Oh my, that was totally worth it. Look at that. Hey guys, the Hermit's cave. I had to turn the camera off the first time, it was too dark. And I'll be fair with you, I did get scared. It's scary in there, it's total dark. So, Ali approves. Right guys, back through the cave, and I won't turn the camera on this time. Sorry, I won't turn the torch on. I'll try and get my way back out without getting scared. Let's go. There's another entrance, don't know where that leads. For some reason it was lighting the way going out, but going in, it is total darkness. Again guys, that was lung busting. It's a steep incline to this Hermit's cave, but definitely worth it for a view, a fun 100%. And guys, see when you're up here and it's the winter time, look at this. Solid ice everywhere, so wear proper shoes unlike me. Right guys, signing off from the Hermit's cave, just near Kenmore, the Falls of Arrach. Highly recommended guys, okay? Bye for now.